ma'am. They all have seen the movie.
Okay, so let's begin. How did you all like the film? Yeah, did you all enjoy it? Yes. I have to say, you all are the first people who've actually watched the movie. We haven't shown it to the industry. We haven't shown it to the media. My family has not yet seen it. In fact, this movie is for the teachers, so we thought that we'll start with showing the teachers first. So I'm so happy and glad, and thank you for coming. Just to say and repeat the fact that there's no other noble profession than being a teacher. So I salute all of you all first for your contribution to all the students and the contribution that you guys make in the lives of students. It's absolutely amazing. We can't compare it. So on behalf of the whole world, the country, all the students as I've been, thank you for being who you are. Because the contribution you all make to the lives of students, particularly, you know, they go on to become such achievers, leaders, professionals, and it's all thanks to you guys. So thank you for being who you guys are. And this is a small way of paying a tribute to you guys. My only request is to all you teachers, and that's because you all have liked the film, you must spread the word, because we have done our duty as responsible film people to show your noble profession on screen. Now through you all, I would like you all to take this message forward in your WhatsApp parents group. When you all do your parent-teacher meet, please encourage parents to see this film, because through this film, they will know the struggles that you guys go through every day in your lives. You know, just to put the message across that teaching is not an easy profession. It is a noble profession. It is how you guys go through your daily day when people ask you, how much do you all earn? And every time I always say to this, what a teacher earns is not important. What they do for us is important, and we remember all our teachers for the rest of our lives. So I think that is what is important. And with this film, I'm hoping, and I think it's going to be true, every student in any corner of the world is going to think of his or her favorite teacher and make that one call and say, ma'am, miss, sir, we love you. So that's definitely going to happen with this movie. So please take forward this message. Please tell your families. Please tell your friends to come and watch the movie Hichki with the whole family. And I think that is going to be the biggest success for us. So thank you so much for being here. And I would like to felicitate all of you all for the special work that you all do every day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And we're going to begin with the felicitations now.
Yes, just before we start the felicitation, anybody here who would like to give me some kind of feedback about the film? What did you all like in the film? What was your favorite scene? Does anybody want to share with me? Because I'm really eager to know. You all are the first people watching my movie. Yes, so somebody give the mic, please, here. And sir, please tell me from which school you are and what do you teach?
I'm Dr. Suresh Nair, Principal of Vivek Vidyalaya and Junior College.
Hello, sir. West. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. First of all the teachers and principals will be thankful to you for making a film like this. The film is very nice, and it has shown the differentiation normally shown in a hi-fi school to keep the rankers in a particular division,
right,
and failures in the other division.
Yes.
And particularly present scenario, this RTE,
yes,
that also has been separately categorized,
yes,
as a
yes,
9F.
Yes.
So it's the actual objective of RTE is not that, to
right,
keep them separate,
right,
to give equal opportunity to all the people.
Right.
But the film has shown that very clearly that thing that shouldn't have done.
Yes.
And definitely it's a very good move from you people.
Yes.
And I request or a suggestion that if the teachers, definitely you are paying a lot for giving this opportunity to all of us.
Yes.
But if all the teachers, not only parents definitely they watch the film.
Yes.
But if the teachers are given whenever it has been released,
Yes.
Free ticket.
Yes.
Only for the teachers.
Yes.
Only for the teachers.
Yes.
Teachers and principal.
We are actually starting it
And
with
definitely with the teachers, their husband, their kids, the whole will
they will
come.
get the whole classroom.
Yes, definitely. And one more
Yes,
thing.
yes, Manan, we got to make a note of that.
Majority of the teachers, of course, are ladies.
Yes, I think it's a great idea, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think you've really cracked the idea because every class would be of, say, 20, 25 students or 40 students in some schools.
Madam,
So we give
my school, every class is of 70, 72.
70, 72.
70,
Fantastic.
72 minus
So,
an
sir,
aided school.
So great, sir. So we'll have one teacher coming with 70 students.
Yes.
Come on.
And
1:77.
Being this teacher community, particularly maximum as ladies,
Yes.
and you can understand the publicity how it goes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Does anybody else want to share whether you all got teary-eyed, you all got emotional? What do you all think of the scenes? Does anybody want to share something with me? Please don't be shy. Please tell me because I'm eager to know your reactions. Please.
गुड मॉर्निंग रानी जी.
Yes, good morning.
मेरा परिचय देने की मुझे नहीं लगता जरूरत है. मैं एक
क्यों?
टीचर हूँ.
नहीं, वो तो सुपर है टीचर, लेकिन आप क्या पढ़ाते हैं?
मैं हिंदी टीचर हूँ सोनल वर्तक.
थैंक यू.
पिक्चर देखते समय हर पल मैं नैना से रिलेट हो रही थी. और जब मुझे लगता है कि मैं यहाँ बैठे हुए हर टीचर जब 100% रिलेट हो जाएंगे नैना के कैरेक्टर से, तब ये पूरी आसमान को छू लेगी. ये पिक्चर बॉक्स ऑफिस में कितना गल्ला करेगी आई डोंट नो, बट हमारे दिलों पर हाउसफुल हो चुकी है. और आज ही जाकर मैं मैनेजमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करने वाली हूँ कि कंपलसरी हर एक टीचर को हम ये पिक्चर देखने जरूर जाएंगे.
थैंक यू.
एंड यू आर माय, आज से मैं फैन बन चुकी हूँ. उसके साथ साथ 2 कैरेक्टर प्लीज. 2 कैरेक्टर प्रिंसिपल जी आई लाइक. यस. एंड सेकंड वन अरू. और मेरा फेवरेट सीन था जब आप अरू को प्रीफिक्स का
बैच दे.
मेरे आंखों में पानी था. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू मिस. Thank you. And anybody else, please, I would like to know what you guys feel. Yes, there's a teacher there.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
And everyone who's present here.
Yes, ma'am, your name and what you
Pooja
teach?
Manek, Shantinagar High School headmistress.
Oh, lovely.
Only the scene which was very much related to my heart was when you get a lump in your throat.
Yes.
Every time you go and every time you face the failure that how I'm going to bring up my children.
Yes.
And the one you had crying that now I'm broke.
Yes.
That what I could do now. Further,
Yes.
I'm angry with myself or with my kids.
Right.
What should I do?
Yeah.
Because that is an obstacle, how
Yes.
you will go ahead.
Yes.
So it was awesome. The
Thank
whole
you.
movie was too good, madam.
Thank you,
It's too
ma'am.
good.
Thank you. Anybody else, please? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. मेरा नाम कविता श्रीयन है
नमस्ते.
और मैं प्राइम एकेडमी स्कूल मरोल से आई हूँ.
Okay.
आपने मतलब हम सब जानते हैं कि a teacher can make a difference in
a student's life.
One child.
Yes.
It's a great teacher.
Yes.
And being a Hindi teacher, I am a Hindi teacher.
जी.
तो हिंदी को लेकर के बहुत सारी डिफिकल्टीज बच्चों को आती है. मात्राएं यहाँ से लगानी है, वहाँ से लगानी है. So every time हिंदी डिपार्टमेंट is fired, हमें हमेशा सुनना पड़ता है हिंदी टीचर्स वेक अप. आप लोग क्या करते हैं अभी तक? बच्चों की हिंदी कितनी खराब है हमारे स्कूल में. इट्स इंग्लिश मीडियम. पहले तो हिंदी बोलने देते नहीं है और सब बच्चे हिंदी में ही बात करना चाहते हैं, तो उस पर भी गुस्सा होते हैं. तो आखिर हम करें क्या? तो जब मुझे अभी रिसेंटली 2 दिन पहले एक महिला मिली पेरेंट, तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि कविता टीचर मेरी बेटी आपको बहुत याद करती है. तो बोलती कि शी वॉज द बेस्ट टीचर, हिंदी टीचर आई हैव एवर मेट. तो मैंने कहा मुझे तो प्रिंसिपल से गाली सुननी पड़ती है इतनी, तो आप मेरी शायद झूठी तारीफ कर रहे हैं. तो बोली नहीं सच कह रही हूँ. मेरी बेटी जब से आपसे हिंदी पढ़ी तो उसे बहुत अच्छा लगा, उसे इंटरेस्ट आ गया. एंड नाउ शी इज क्राइंग. शी इज इन 12th and she doesn't have a subject हिंदी. वो साइंस लिया उसने इसलिए. तो बोल रही थी कि वो बहुत मिस करती है आपको, आपने उसको बहुत अच्छा सिखाया. मैंने कहा कि नहीं, अभी भी मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा रियली. तो बोलते कि नहीं, जो आप पढ़ाते हो तो उसको जो एक्टिंग करके आप में थोड़ा एक्टिंग करने में फेमस हूँ. मतलब मुझे सीरियल वेरियल करने का भी बहुत शौक था. तो मुझे बोलते कि आप आंखों से बोलते हो.
आपको आना चाहिए एक्चुअली सीरियल में, कमाल हो जाएगा.
सास बहू चुड़ैल किसी का भी एक्टिंग कर सकती हो. तो मेरे वो बच्चे लोग बोलते हैं कि आप ना आंखों से बोलते हो. इवन ये मेरे फ्रेंड्स बैठे हैं, वो लोग सब जब भी प्रिंसिपल कुछ बोल रही होती है सब मेरे को ही देख रहे होते हैं कि कविता का एक्सप्रेशन क्या चल रहा है. आपको
आपको क्या लगा फिल्म देख के?
नहीं, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हर एक इंसान में कुछ ना कुछ तो कमी होती है
जी।
लेकिन अगर उसे समय पर एंकरेजमेंट मिले, प्रॉपर तरीके से उसको चैनलाइज करे, तो एवरीवन कैन डू समथिंग इन लाइफ, दे कैन अचीव देयर गोल्स।
यही हमारे फिल्म का प्रेमाइस है और यही हमने दिखाना चाहा है। और मुझे खुशी है कि आप लोग, मैं एक्चुअली मनन जो यहाँ खड़े हैं, जो इनका ही ये ब्रेन चाइल्ड है, ये इन्होंने ये पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज किया है और हमारा यही थॉट था इसके पीछे कि हम पहले टीचर्स को दिखाना चाहते हैं क्योंकि हम उनका फीडबैक लेके ही आगे बढ़ना चाहते थे। एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी कि आप लोग आए, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी। एंड इज देयर एनीबडी एल्स हु वांट्स टू शेयर something? Thank you, Kavita. Yes, there's a ma'am here and there's a ma'am here. Yes, I'm going to come to you. Ji.
Yes, I'm Pallavi Das and I'm from St. Anthony School, Nalasopara.
Yeah.
Ma'am, there is a scene in the movie where the parents tell you कि मेरे बच्चों का ख्याल रखना.
जी.
The parents also bestow a lot of trust on us teachers.
Yes.
So I think that was where I related more to you because there were many parents when they come to the open house, they usually tell me, Miss, तुम्ही आहात ना म्हणून माझा मुलगा safe आहे.
How sweet. Yes, yes, yes.
Many of the parents, they literally share their, personal or problems with what the children face.
Yes, yes.
And why they are not very hyperactive or they don't pay attention.
Right.
And at this time, there were many of them who really told why the children were not excelling well. And I was really, I played an important role in playing and in helping one child like this.
Yes.
So I think that is one thing where I related.
Something that you really related. Yeah, yes. Because I personally feel that for children, after their parents, who do they look up to? It's the teachers. And y'all are the people who actually are responsible for basically the first thing what a child learns outside a home environment is from the teachers. That's why a teacher's contribution is immense in a child's growing up, not only academically, but also as human beings. Because we learn a lot from you guys. So thank you for being who you guys are. And I think a teacher over there. Yes, ma'am.
A very good afternoon, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone here. I love the scene where the children come up to you. My name is Clara. I come from Sri Mumba Devi Khar.
Okay.
And you teach? I teach English.
Oh, lovely.
The movie was definitely very good.
Thank you.
And I love the scene where the children come to you when you are totally depressed.
Yes.
And they look at you as the guiding star.
Yes, yes.
Yes, the teachers are guiding stars.
Yes.
I love that scene.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, there's a lady here. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon. I'm from St. Stanislaus, Bandra, and my name is Chitra.
Thank you.
I especially like the way you changed the four walls of the classrooms and coming out and teaching in a different way outside.
Yes,
the atmosphere changes because as I am the art and the craft teacher, I prefer looking the nature and trying to get into teaching them that way. So I like that idea and I like the way you did it that way.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I think this is it's so amazing. I think India में finally एक ऐसी picture आ गई है जो teachers ने देखी, teachers के लिए बनी है, and इस तरह का enthusiasm जहाँ critics ने से पहले teachers ने देखा. Well, we are going to start with the felicitation now, and I would like to first call upon Mr. Soumitra Prasad, Chief Marketing Officer, CoQ Camlin Limited, to please come up for a photo op. Huge round of applause, everybody.